Hey folks, Josh here at Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson coming to you today with a 2020 Street Glide special here. This is in the Billiard Burgandy color here, a hot color. We have been out of stock for the last couple months on it, but proud to say we have this back in stock along with other models that we haven't been seeing, or colors as well too from the factory. So stop on out and check this out here. So the Street Glide Special is powered with that 114 cubic inches of Milwaukee 8 force there behind it. So when you twist that grip, you're gonna get on it and you're gonna have plenty of power to pass a car, go up a hill, things like that as well too. So awesome bike, great power out of it. Like I said, it's got that great blacked out finish here. So it's just got that custom look from factory, gloss black interfering, all the gauges, the fuel tank console, everything is all gloss black. So it has that finished look to it, and it contrasts as well with this color here as well too. So it's also got the infotainment GPS radio on it as well too. So it's got just, you know where you're gonna be going out there riding, having fun. So you can still get lost on a bike. That's a great part of Harley-Davidson. You're gonna go find out some new roads, things like that. So this GPS will help you. There's settings in there for the fastest mode of transport, slowest ride, twisty, and a scenic route as well too. So you hit the button, you decide what you want to do. Go from point A to point B. Might take you a half hour on the fastest, might take you 3 hours on the curvy or scenic, things like that. You're gonna find roads you've never seen before. So that's the part of I love about Harley-Davidson ownership, is getting out there, having fun, being one with your bike, and losing track of all the everyday nuances in the world here that we just go, hey, screw it, let's forget all this stuff, let's go clear the head, hit the road and have some fun. So stop on out to Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson and check out this great bike here. I have a feeling it's just not going to last long here. So check it out. Visit us online at wpharley.com. Hope to see you soon.